Hi friends, welcome to another video. In this video, we are going to unbox, actually not unbox, it's already unboxed. So we are going to see how can we use this new made in India Explorer Shield. So it's compatible with Arduino Uno R3, R4 and Q. It's Smart Elex Bharat Explorer Shield. So how to start? As usual, I will start with PictoBlox, a scratch-based application, and to try out anything new, you must have the manual, the instruction guide. Looks like from this Robo link from where I purchased, this link is not working. So if I close all these two links, try to click on this include activity, it's not working somehow. But this click to download working, and this is what it is. So if I open my box now, you see the exactly same thing that you see in the photo, which means yeah, I have it. So now it's a shield, it's not the microcontroller itself. So you need a microcontroller, which is the Arduino, to be Arduino Uno R3 is most available to you. So let me try with Arduino Uno R3 instead of R4. I have both, but let's try with whatever you have readily available, most probably. So I just fit them and give a little press from both the side. Yeah, so now I believe it's ready to explore. Now let me connect the USB port, I mean the type B port, I believe this is called in the Arduino, and the other end I will connect to my computer. And as usual, I will go to device manager, to see the port number if it is detected. And yeah, COM3, I know only one Arduino is connected and it's mentioned Arduino Uno COM3. So COM3 is the one. Now let's connect to the PictoBlox. So we can definitely do Arduino IDE, but for the maximum people, or for the interest of the junior students, I would try the PictoBlox. Okay, I'll skip it for now and go to the block board. So Arduino Uno is the board. We are not talking about the Smart Elex Shield. That's just a shield. But what the PictoBlox is facing, that's the one which is the brain, which is the Arduino Uno board. So I connected that. Now, how to operate this using PictoBlox? Is there any manual? No. So what can we do? Okay, there's a firmware. Let me take it. In the meantime, let's go back to the manual and see what we can explore from this. So these are the different places. So what I'm looking for which pin is connected with what. So I'll just randomly take one or two things and see how it works. So like joystick, it's an interesting one. XY analog. So joystick is connected with, so these are the inputs, they will cover one by one. Input, output, and then this is the LCD and joystick. And where is the pin diagram for it? Joystick is A0 and A1. So this is the one I am looking for. So this is the manual, and you must, after buying any device, you must have the manual. You should go through to figure out of your own what you need. So A0 and A1 I am going to play with. So it's ready in the meantime. And then I will take let me go in the stage mode. I will not play with Toby, so let it be here, and let me start with flag because it's in stage mode, not in the upload mode. Where? Control. Okay, no, not control. What is it? Event. Yeah. So green flag followed by I want to read. So in an infinite loop, I want to keep reading the value and show in a variable. So I will declare x and y to variable x and y, and they both are checked. So you can see in the display they both are checked, so it's visible. If you don't check, it's not. And now I'm going to set the value into x and y. So I will change it to x and y. And what I'm looking for, I'm looking for the analog pin state. So read analog pin. What's the pin number? See my memory, I forget very soon. Okay, A0 and A1. So first one A0, duplicate, and A1. That's it. So you can see what the value, and then later we can find out how can you use those x and y, like moving Toby in that same location. Yeah, we'll do in the two half. So first round, let's play the button 736, 728. Let me play with the joystick. Where is this? This is the one. See, I am just moving in one axis, which seems to be the y axis, and now I'll put the x axis. So the x is changing from 450, 440, 448. How much it can go down? 446. Okay, whatever. So now the challenge is your Toby's background is not of that xy coordinate, how much range it is supporting. So if you go to the backdrops and see the coordinate backdrop, which gives you an idea, where is that? XY grid? No, I had that XY coordinate. This one. So this is more helpful diagram now. So minus 242 plus 240, we have to bring it to. So it is currently in a state where it is let's assume it's going to 424. I'll say 420. 420. Oh, it's going even down. I'll say 419 then. Okay, or 410 until 1024. So 1024, and the other side 410. Oh, 390 also. Let's make it 300. 300 to 1024. 23 actually. So I will go to a map and I will map this value. So whatever is the value, it will be starting from. So I will take the x here. Variable come and x, map x from 390 to 1023. This is the range which I will map to, because it's x minus 240 to plus 240. So this is the whole mapping I want Toby to go to. So I will say set x and set y. So set x to this, set y to this. This is the value directly to the set x of Toby, and set y, I'll just copy the same, paste it here. Instead of x, it will be y. Come on, y. And then let also this be, okay, this minus 180 to plus 180 to minus 180. So if I move it up, it is going, oh, it's already started working. Okay, so 1 minute. Y is going 749 and downward it is 719. It's supposed to go. Okay, I think something I have to reset, but for now let me do it as it is. Minus I will start from 180 and go to the minus 180. Okay, and let me stop it first of all and then start. So before starting I should bring it to a common place. I mean, every time if I click on the flag, it should go to a place. And where is that? Set xy, go to xy, something like that. Oh, here. So together go to xy, this one. So before once you click the flag, it can be in a place which is 0 0 0 0. Okay, done. So flag. Now I'll go to full screen, and then let me see if the mapping is correct. I will move this side. Oh, this is, I'm moving this side. I'm going down. Okay, up, nice, and going this way and going that way. Oh, this got ulta, it's got opposite. So let me change the y-axis alone. Things should be good. So let me make this one minus 180 and this one plus 180. Stop, start. Now see, down, up, right, and then left. So this is working. Similarly, the other buttons and everything, you can just follow the manual, and you can do it by yourself. Can you make one of this, like LDR could be the easy one, or even the flame sensor, it could be dangerous. Let's be careful. Oh, flame, I mean, yeah, flame could be dangerous, be careful. And then motor driver. For motor driver, one thing, so if you are playing with motor driver, it will hog too much of battery. In that case, you might either look for external battery, don't take the full power from the USB, or the Bharat Elex has a power module where you can plug DC adapter. It supports up to some how much volt, that also you can see in the manual. 5 volt to 9 volt external power supply it supports. So you can buy those 9 volt or 5 volt adapters up to 1 ampere. So 9 volt 1 ampere for example, and just plug it there, and then you can play with the motor. So you can connect the motor and see how it's moving. Also, you have a potentiometer, you can rotate and see how is the value, and for that you should have something here. What is that? Oh, sorry, rotary encoder. So using D6, D5, D6 and D10, you can get the connection like the potentiometer, I believe. So, oh, potentiometer is connected with this. Then what is this? Rotary encoder. I think this is the rotary encoder, and potentiometer is somewhere. Where is the potentiometer then? Oh, this is the potentiometer, the blue color one, and this is the rotary encoder. Yeah, so for potentiometer you can use the screw and rotate this, or by your nail, and see if it is reflecting. Okay, so happy coding. Maybe in next video I can show further more sensors from this, depending on how much support I get from you. So please don't forget to support me. Thank you. Bye.